Alright, so in this video I'm going to give you guys all the tips and tricks to go ahead and get your video viral on TikTok. A lot of people waste a lot of time, energy, money, effort into posting all these videos and not doing all the things I'm going to show you in today's video to really capitalize and make the most out of their upload. So I'm going to give you guys every single secret in today's video that I've sort of learned from going from 0 to 1,500 with zero skills. I'm not posting any dance videos. I don't have a massive ass. I don't have tits. I don't have some cool dance moves. I have no skill, and I'm able to grow my TikTok following using these set strategies. Before getting to today's video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, consulting calls with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Let's get right into today's video. You want to maximize all the real estate you have when it comes to your caption. You want to utilize every single character. If you have one character left, that's one hashtag. Hashtag number one. That's a hashtag you can use, and that's going to increase the reach on your content. So here's a video on that topic. Alright, another tip. So as you can see, there's no more I max out the hashtags. And then what I like to do with the remaining space, if I have one letter, then I just put in one letter. I put in A, and that A itself has 5 billion. So I just like max it out, and if there's two, I'll be like AB or WO or like CO. I just put two random letters. If it's three, I'll put in like wow, lol. You really want to max out the hashtags. That really helps. Everything's just been gaining momentum. Today's a very good day for the algorithm. So I got like 4 posts sort of lined up, and I'm just gonna schedule them after each video.
Dear teenagers, you're only a teenager for 2,500.
Each video sort of gets steady and sort of slows down, then I'll upload the next, and I'll just sort of max it out because like today's videos, they've just all been doing well. It's crazy. Next tip, the importance of posting time. Like after doing a bunch of split testing, spending a day just posting during the night time in Sydney, Australia, and spent a lot of my time posting in the morning time, I found that all the posts I posted during the night time got way more views. And here's some of my experiences and the realization, and showing you guys the difference in the number of views. How posting at nighttime I would get several hundred views, and posting in the daytime I would only get like 10, 20, 30 views. Okay, new tip. Just to figure something out. So when I got a lot of views on these initial posts, I was posting during the midday and afternoon. But I recently posted something at like 6 a.m. and posted something at pretty late at night, 10 p.m. and they both did not do well. These two videos in the middle. The ones on the side, my editor uploads as well, but it's a bit different since he's from like South Africa, so shows it to like African people. But you see these two posts in the middle, one I posted late at night, one I posted early in the morning, they got 0 views. And all these videos got a ton of views because I posted it at the right time. So time is also another big factor. Find out when's your best posting time. When you get into a TikTok hotspot, meaning it's just a period of time where all your videos that you're posting one after another has gone viral, you're gonna triple down, just keep posting. So what I like to do is I like to look at my notifications, see if I'm getting a bunch of likes and follows at a certain time period, and if I am, that's when you want to post a lot, like post every single hour until that sort of hot hour sort of dies out. And I'll show you exactly what I mean in this video. Alright, so another thing I just discovered is I'm finally starting to know when it's a good time to post. So what I like to do is, if you look in your inbox and within the past say hour I'm getting a lot of follows, a lot of likes, that means now is a good time to post. And that has been working pretty well, and luckily, you know, I have all these draft posts ready. Stacked hashtags, use the strategy I said.
Like this is basically what I did in school.
Yeah, Gary Vee is like doubling down hard on TikTok as well. And that's exactly what I want to do. But yeah, you want to look in your sort of inbox, and like based on the activity, that's when you want to post a lot. So like based on this sort of activity, I'm gonna like probably post one post every single hour until, you know, it dies out. Because when I did that previously, every single video got more than 500 views each without even trying, and they were just like normal videos. But yeah, that's another tip I discovered and I just wanted to share with you guys. We're currently at 676 with zero to no effort. There's a new video.
Don't be suspicious.
Lower the text, I think, because it zooms in.
Don't be suspicious.
Tip number 4, utilizing polls. This is something that nobody does on TikTok. TikTok has options for you to do polls, vote yes, no, have funny questions. You want to get your users to interact, and I'm testing every single feature TikTok has, and polls is something I've discovered that does pretty well, as you can see here. Also, polls do pretty well. So you want to test with polls as well. Like, I'm testing everything. The text jump in question mark at the very top. But yeah, that's the update. And you guys want proof that this strategy just works? As you can see in that last clip, I just went ahead and posted a video during this hotspot period. Guess what? It went viral. Here's proof. And guess what? Like that video I just posted with you guys just then, it's been like 15 minutes, already 520 views, 22 likes, 3 comments, 1 comment missing, but 520 views in 15 minutes. Like, that is crazy. And like, you know, I told you, like, the theory is correct. If you're seeing a bunch of follows, a bunch of likes within the past 2 to 3 hours, start posting a lot. So like now I'm gonna post another video just because how well the algorithm. So I got like, I need to stack up more content because today I'll be posting a lot. Bam! No one can show you such well-documented series and guide. Like, everything I'm saying, I'm proving to you guys with hard facts. I'm starting with 0 followers. I have no advantage. I have no skills. Like, this is one of the best sort of walkthroughs or courses I've ever seen. Like, this is something that people would charge hundreds of dollars for in a course, and that's sort of what you're going to see down the line. Like, everyone's selling a how to grow your Instagram course for hundreds. I could do the exact same thing with TikTok, especially how early I'm in on this, but I just want to give you guys as much value as possible. Like, after saying that, I regret, like, there's so much value in this course. I don't want to be giving it away for free, but I know I want to give back to the community, and I'm going to do that. And yeah, that post just then went freaking viral, over 500 views in a tiny amount of time, just as my hypothesis and theories has predicted. And yeah, that's a lot of tips. I can't believe that I was able to show you guys me applying all those tips, such as hot hour, the momentum, doubling down, the hashtags, testing different features, and then bam, I post a video live in one of those screen recordings, and that video goes viral. So like, that's live, like that. I didn't plan that. That happened coincidentally, and that just makes the series and course just much more realistic, much more relatable, and something that everyone can follow. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow, where I go ahead and update you guys on my next journey. I'm currently at 600 and something, I believe, getting close to 1,000. Before I leave, question of the day: which one of these tips did you like the most? Drop in the comments below. I've been answering every single comment. As always, I don't ask for anything. I don't ask you to buy a course. I don't ask for your email. All I ask is a simple like of this video, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below. That's all I ask. So help me with the algorithm. I want to blow up my channel by giving you guys so much value, and that's all I ask. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.